Very good afternoon everybody, Austin here. Just a short video. I've had many people ask about my belt because apparently it's identical to the Unger padded belt. I don't know whether that's true or not. I haven't got an Unger belt to compare it against and where I got it from. The belt is actually an Amazon purchase. It goes under the name of Protector Plus. And I'll post a link in the description of the video of where you can buy this belt. As you can see, lovely buckle. It's nice and padded all the way through. I've got my bucket on a belt on there as well. And I've just quickly made, because I like to make things, I've just made an Ergotech glass scraper holster. As you can see, stainless steel spring tool clip, some heat shrink around it to protect the handle of my scraper from getting worn and abrasive with the metal. Some very flexible PVC plastic that I've quickly cut with a Stanley knife, drilled some holes in it to put two nice big cable ties on there. But it works. It does what I want. I know you can buy them, but I'm the kind of person that thinks if I can't make it, I'll try first, and if I can't make it, I'll buy one. But I've made this one, I've used it for 2 days, it works perfectly, it's not broken, it's not cracked, it's just on my side of my hip as and when I need it, so it ticks the boxes for me. So back again with the belt. It's a Mole Systems belt. Military issue is the main heart of it really, but it's just a padded work belt called the Protector Plus. If it's similar to the Unger one, then that's for you to decide. I'm not saying it is. I've had a few people question me to say that's just like an Unger belt, but that's the belt I've got, the Protector Plus. I'll post a link in the description of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. Have a good afternoon. Bye bye.